Hello YouTube, my fellow YouTubers. Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, whoa. It moved back onto the wood.
Well, that means it's healthy.
Okay. Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Eric Southern. We have found a cute little bird. Right there. See? I hope it stays alive. So, yeah. Close. I have to make this pretty sure because the mother might not come and get it. She probably doesn't want it. So yeah, there it is. It's actually pretty healthy because before it was over there, we moved it over there, and now it's over here. It's just a fledgling. It probably fell out of its nest, which was up there. So yeah, that's all. Just want to tell you, bird style, bird style. See ya and peace out. What words? Peace out.